guess this is the TD sneakers. These Micron shoes. The color black and white. The side. Some details. Shoelace. And touch. Black ground. Logo. Bottom. Inside. Next. Okay, thank you.